Hey guys, it's Cactus Uncle. Welcome back to my page. Today we're going to be grafting an Astrophytum capricorne onto a Preskyopsis. So first I'm just going to take this nice cut and just eliminate the top piece here. Then I'm going to go ahead and take care of these leaves on the side. They'll be in the way later on. You'll see why. So we'll just go ahead and clip those off for probably about like 1.25 inches down. Anything else you can leave on. This one doesn't have a whole lot of leaves though, because I'm having a lot of pest problems. So here is the specimen I'm going to graft. It's a really young, maybe just a few weeks old, I think, seedling of Astrophytum capricorne. And here I'm trying to get the camera to focus. Can be a little difficult. So we're going to cut pretty much right in the middle where it's nice and fat. You don't want to go too high and you really don't want to go too low. My cut's a little bit crooked. It's difficult to look at the camera and make sure it's focusing and cut it, but a little bit crooked is not going to hurt it. So I'm going to cut this one more time just so it's a fresh, nice, clean cut on the Preskyopsis. The juicier and, the more moist the cut, the better success you will have. So here I'm just putting the razor blade next to it and just kind of wedging it over onto the Preskyopsis. Pushing it down a little bit just to make sure it's nice and tight. So now I got just a little piece of just shrink wrap, saran wrap, whatever you have. So as you can see there, I kind of knocked it over a little bit when I was trying to put it on it. So this is the hardest part. You got to be really gentle and just go nice and slow. You can see I'm just kind of working the plastic around it and making sure that the seedling is standing straight up. There is no need to apply a ton of pressure. We're just orientating the seedling straight up so it has a good connection between the Preskyopsis and the graft. So this is not the same graft. It's actually a different species of Astrophytum, but it's the only video I had on hand demonstrating how to carefully take off the plastic. I usually do this about a week after they're grafted. I kind of do it by eye. If they start plumping up, then that's when I usually kind of pull off the plastic and the clip. If they're still kind of small and skinny, sometimes I wait. But 7 days is usually a really good number to go by. So you can see here I'm just carefully supporting the plastic and pulling off the clip, because if you're not careful, you can break the union between the graft and the rootstock. So there you go. I just kind of slowly pulled it off. That one was kind of easy. Sometimes they can stick a little bit, so just go nice and slow, and I'm sure you'll have good success. You can see it's actually a pretty good graft and it's fattening up. Here is 2 weeks after, and then right here is 6 weeks after, just to show you how quickly it can grow. If you guys have any more questions or anything, just leave a comment, and don't forget to visit my site, cactusuncle.com, for cactus cuttings and rare seedlings. Thank you very much. Bye.